your crosshairs on her, shoot her. Got her. Good job, sissy. She's down. Good job, good girl. She's dead. What'd you think of that? She's dead. What'd you think of that?
I was excited.
You dropped her in her tracks.
That was fun.
It's a puppy texting us.
I'm shaking so bad.
Oh, well, we'll sit here for a second. We'll get down and go check her out. Allie's first deer. We'll get down here in a minute. We'll go over and take a look at her. Little doe. We've seen this deer all day. We were in here this morning. Never could get a shot. We were back 40, 50 yards back. So I moved this Stella's ladder stand up about 50 yards. And she come back in here this evening eating these acorns. And she got it done. Good job, sis. Yeah, poke when you get up there, poke her with the barrel of your gun. Make sure she's dead. She is. Just I just like to poke them just to make sure. Mason showed up. He come to see Sissy for their first deer ever. Ah. That's a little button buck, ain't it?
Yeah.
Is he dead? Kick him, Mason. Yeah. Alright. Help her, Mason. Get it.
Come here.
Take your gun. I'm not sure where she even hit him at, but he dropped. I think kind of at the back of the ribs there, ain't it? Hold his head up, Sissy. What do you think of that? Huh? You proud? Well, Allie might be hooked on hunting now. Alright, well, we'll get him gutted out and get him out of here. So, alright. Thanks for watching.